A very good day. I like to introduce myself. I'm Samiksha Moghan. My metric number 245104. Today I would like to present a new project which is tracking former UUM students. Where are they? Moving to my first question, where are the issues associated with the Alumni Center? Discuss these issues. The Alumni Center has no access to update for student profile and current employment status. The desired system would demand a high budget, which we cannot simply afford at this moment. And also, it's a high cost level because to install new hardware and software. In additional, alumni center is not a profit-based unit. Uh, Another is moving to my next issue. There is no backup and restore processes for this system due to no IT staff being assigned to the alumni center to manage and maintain the system. The current system also only store data provided by the alumni during that single moment, the time before their graduation, and does not have a feature to allow them update or the updating of information. Most of alumni are not aware of the system due to several reasons, such as a weak link between UUM and alumni and no direct access to alumni system from the university website itself. The data storage, which is server, is currently located at UUMIT, which also share with other university applications. Okay, moving to my second question. As an IT expert, how can it be used to solve these issues? So, as an IT expert, this system need a database for keep update students profile and also current employee status. From this, so I ready with the ER diagram for my project, and also I'm responsible for designing comprehensive, stable, and also secure technology solution for this tracking former UM student system. By this system can also change from existing system into a successful and also sustainable system for our UEM former student. Okay, moving to my third question. Based on your answer, into detail out the proposed solution. So this is my diagram for this system. So, first, I would like to say Alumni Center. Alumni Center is inherited by two classes, which is staff and also student. Um, and then the constraint will be as a mandatory or. This is because staff and student have no choice, and they have to be either one, either staff or student to be in these classes. So it be a mandatory or. And then moving to my staff, for staff, there's some attribute which is staff ID and staff name. And staff ID would be my primary key, and there will be a four subclasses which will be sub-inherited by the four subclasses, which is director, deputy director, IT technician, and also secretary. And this also would be the mandatory or, because director, deputy director, or security, they can never be as IT technician and vice versa. Yeah. And moving to my another subclass, which is from under alumni center, which is student. Attribute for student are two, which is metric number, which is our primary key, and also name. There's two subclasses under student, which is international postgraduate and local postgraduate. And from this, we can say that the constraint would be mandatory, or this is because um, a student, they can be either international postgraduate or a local postgraduate. So it would be a mandatory or. Moving to my student, there's two classes which we can see that they are there's two classes which can students can do. First, student background. Another one is student employee reference. So the first thing I like to explain student updates student background. There's some entities that some attributes that for under student background, which is IC number that we know as a primary key, date of birth, gender, race, nationality, religion, marriage status, address, mobility number, mobile number, academic school, email, PAUUM member, debt status, and philosophy of life. So from this we can know that one and more students can update the student background by one and only. Moving to my second, student can update student employee reference, which are job status as we know as a primary key, current job, department, work start date, salary, field of work, office name, office address, telephone number, fax number, MSc status. This we can say that student, which is one and more students, can update one and only student employee reference. Not only students can update the student employee reference, therefore, staff also can manage student employee reference. That means staffs can manage the background. The reference of the student's employee, UUM student's employee, from what the student updates. So this we can say that one and more staffs can manage one and more student employee reference. Um that's all. And as a conclusion, I would like to say, as an I'm an IT expert, so I hope that creating this system, creating this existing system to a better system, will make a huge successful for UUM and also for former students, because former students also will be aware of our existing, which is going to update soon, will be aware to them, and this will make a former student to promote UM to the world. So from this, I would like to say thank you. That's all. Thank you.